What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to apply for jobs in Glassdoor. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar, type in Glassdoor. Now, after typing Glassdoor, you will see the first official website of Glassdoor. So as you can see, this is the first official website of Glassdoor. If you already have an account, just click on jobs and you will open the job portal on Glassdoor. But if you are new to Glassdoor, click on this link and sign up with your email and password. And after that, Glassdoor will ask you some simple questions like if you are currently in an internship or if you currently have a job or not. Are you a student? You're a freelancer, whatever. Just simply answer that two, three questions, and then you will be welcome to the dashboard of Glassdoor. And from there, you can search for jobs. So as you can see, this is the dashboard and on the top it shows community, jobs, company, salaries, and for employers. If you want to search for a job, click on jobs. And after that, you will be welcome to this jobs page. And from here, you can type in what kind of job do you want or what kind of job are you looking for. For example, I am looking for content manager, let's say, and at what location are you looking for? I will say just I'll say Brooklyn. Now after that, it will search and filter and then show you the job of content manager at Brooklyn, New York. So as you can see here, there are 831 vacancies available for content manager in Brooklyn. So you can just select one and then you can click here to apply. And from here, Glassdoor will take you to the company's official website. And as you can see, you can apply for this job by clicking on apply for a job. And after that, you can fill all the necessary details and upload your resume so that your application will be sent to the company and then you can apply for this job like this on Glassdoor. So this was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.